Ay, no es necesario. Sí. Me los he puesto delante de las orejas. Mejor sácalo, por favor.
This is the natural habitat of the Andean fox, and he's trying to protect it from human activity. Look! The fox is climbing up. Use the rocks to follow him.
Oh. Se pasó.
Look at what the mining activity has done to this beautiful place. It's destroying vegetation, polluting the waters, and leaving animals without a home. Who is that with Humboldt's bag? This small animal is a vizcacha, native to
No
this
les
area
estoy
of
tocando,
Peru.
les estoy saludando. Que le aterricé.
This cavern is one of many in the Andes, rich in precious metals and minerals. Because of humans' greed and desire to obtain them, the environment surrounding them is sadly in danger. It is a hungry caracara, endangered by the mining activity. Rotate the handle to bring the bucket up. Grab the bag and give it to Humboldt.
Thank you for your help, my dear assistant. As you have seen, mining hurts not only animals and plants, but also people. Our jobs as explorers is to study nature without damaging it, so that we can understand the cosmos and live in harmony.